How to fix the issue of try searching to get started problem on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google Chrome browser and go to youtube.com. If you see this option in your home page, what you need to do is simply click on three dots beside your profile at the top right corner. Scroll below to go to Settings. At the bottom, click on Setting icon. Then, in the settings of the browser, you will see Privacy and Security option on your left-hand side. Simply click on it. Choose the option of Site Setting. Scroll below and in Recent Activity you will see YouTube option. Click on it and choose the option of Delete Data. After that, your problem should have been fixed. But if you are still seeing that option, simply go to Start menu, choose the option of Power and click on Restart. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.